Good morning, everyone. I am Shreya Shirke.
And I am Yashmet Sawant.
Today, we have the honor of speaking with someone truly extraordinary. She is one of the only 8 students in the entire Mumbai division to score a perfect 100% in the SSC board exams. Please welcome the brilliant and talented Arya Deshmukh. Welcome, Arya, and congratulations on your remarkable achievement.
Congratulations, Arya. Scoring a perfect 100% is an extraordinary feat. Can you describe your initial reaction when you saw your results?
Firstly, thank you so much. When I first saw my results, there was a mix of emotions. There was shock, there was joy, there was relief. I was really satisfied to see that all the hard work around the year had finally paid off. The moment that really stood out was seeing the pride and happiness in my parents' eyes. So it was an amazing feeling.
That's amazing, Arya. What a special moment that must have been for you and your family. You're one of the only 8 students across the Mumbai division to achieve this milestone. What do you think made your preparation stand out?
I believe it was effective time management, consistency in my efforts, and also finding a perfect study rhythm that suits you well. So, I would say a mixture of a strong will to achieve the best, of course, with hard work and excellent guidance from my teachers, along with my stress buster, my passion, Kathak, were the things I believe made my preparation stand out.
That's great to hear. Your blend of discipline and passion is truly inspiring. Balancing academics and co curricular activities is not easy for many. How did you manage your time effectively throughout the year?
Time management definitely plays a key role in keeping you stress free. For me, managing time was like perfecting a choreographed routine. Every step of my timetable had to be meticulously followed. I harmonized my academics along with my co curricular commitments and always tried to strike a balance between them. So, giving proportionate time to your studies as well as your passion not only keeps you physically fit but also keeps you mentally energized.
There couldn't be a better comparison, Arya. Planning your day like a dance routine shows how mindful your approach was. Can you share your daily study routine? Were there any specific habits that helped you stay consistent?
I was more of an early bird, so the first thing in the morning I would start with a fresh mind, a topic which required deeper understanding or concepts which are difficult. I did not have a phone till the 13th of May, which is the result day of my boards. Neither did I have any accounts on any social media handles. So I would spend as less time as possible on any social media platforms or my mobile phone. Rather, I would invest my break time in practicing my Kathak or reading novels or listening to music. Also, I had a habit of revising on the same day whatever was taught in school or in my tuition classes, which helped me stay in track and reduce last minute pressure.
That's a very balanced routine, Arya. Staying consistent clearly made a big difference. Was there a particular subject you found most challenging? How did you overcome difficulties in that area?
Geography was definitely a tough one for me with all the maps, detailed answers, and graphs to remember. So, to overcome these, I made concept maps and keynotes and stuck them on my study board so I would regularly revise them. Also, regular map sketching and graph plotting and not keeping that till the very end was a lesson I learned through my initial experience. Dividing deeper concepts into smaller chunks and definitely great help from my teacher in doubt solving as well was what helped me build confidence in the subject.
Very relatable, Arya. Your methodical approach to a difficult subject is something everyone can learn from. Apart from studying, what activities or hobbies kept you energized and motivated?
As I said, Kathak is my passion. It helped me relax and recharge. Reading novels which interested me, listening to music, right from classical to contemporary, calmed me down. Also, not to forget, all the extracurricular events I had an opportunity to participate in school not only helped me re energize but also gave me memories I would cherish forever. So, they too have a big contribution in this.
Commendable. It's great how you managed to balance work and joy so beautifully. Who or what has been your greatest source of inspiration and support during this journey?
Firstly, definitely my eye. Without a doubt, she was the one who gave me the support, the confidence, and at times the reprimanding which was equally crucial for me to excel in my boards. The unsaid expectations in my parents' eyes, which they believed I could fulfill, was a driving force that, pushed me to the fullest of my potential and always reminded me to give me my best. Every teacher, every friend, every relative, every Payun Kaka who has been with me in this journey has always inspired me to go above and beyond, work hard, and it is because of them that I stand before you today.
Your gratitude and humility speak volumes, Arya. I am reminded of the words, "There's eternal summer in a grateful heart." Did you ever face self doubt or pressure? If yes, how did you deal with it?
Definitely, yes. They both were always there waiting to pounce. But the brutal dose of reality that hard work was the one and only one way to keep all these distractions away inspired me. Whenever I had a setback, I would remind myself of my past wins, no matter how small they seemed, and turn those into my motivation to prove myself this time.
What a powerful mindset. Reminding yourself of your victories is such a valuable lesson. What role did our school play in your academic success?
The school has played the biggest role in my academic success, I would say. Since first grade, it has provided the excellent atmosphere, amazing teachers who go above and beyond to explain complex concepts, and many extracurricular opportunities that helped my holistic growth. I am forever grateful for the strong foundation, not only of academics, but also of moral values the school has given me, molding me into the person I am today.
I agree, Arya. Our school does all it can to bring out the best in us. Your bond with the school is truly heartwarming. What advice would you give us, the batch of 2025-26, preparing for the SSC exams next year?
Before everything, give yourself a good amount of confidence that you will achieve your goal. My suggestion, write down on a piece of paper your aspired marks or percentage and stick them right where you study so it constantly reminds you of your goal. Also, try to be as much away as possible from any social media handles or phones because it really helps to cut down all the distractions. Make your priority lists, work towards them honestly, and if you do so, success is no doubt yours.
Golden advice indeed. I am sure everyone here is taking notes. Looking ahead, what are your aspirations and goals for the future?
I have chosen the science stream and I'm currently preparing for the NEET examination 2027. I aspire to become a doctor.
So inspiring, Arya. We'll all be cheering you on as you work towards your dream. Lastly, how do you define success and what values do you believe are most important in life?
Thank you so much for the opportunity to share my story. I believe success is the amount of good habits you inculcate and also how much justice you give to your academics and your schooling in this year round journey. Marks are a byproduct of patience, perseverance, and your integrity. So, a good combo of these with a heavy dose of willpower and self confidence will surely lift you to the heights you aspire to reach.
What a thoughtful definition of success. That really sums it up beautifully.
Thank you, Arya, for your time and your valuable insights. Your journey, dedication, and clarity of thoughts are sure to inspire everyone here today. We wish you continued success and happiness in all that you do.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity and all the very, very best to everyone here. Believe in yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you.